YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be reviewing the Yeezy QNTM basketball. Now here I have the colorway, the frozen blue colorway. Now this just released recently and these retail at $250, and with tax and shipping these came around to $265. And let's get into the shoe. So these just recently dropped, I want to say on the 24th. Now I recently got them from Concepts and they came within a couple of days, so I had them around, I want to say, I think I actually got them on the 24th and I got them 2 days before that on the 22nd. Yep, because the basketballs came out first and then the lifestyle version came out. I already had a pair of the lifestyle bariums, so I thought that I should check out the basketball version of the sneaker with the frozen blues. Now this colorway really reminds me of the 700 V3s that they dropped earlier this year, which I was not able to get, but I really wanted a pair of those badly, so I decided why not just get these. Now these are super clean in my opinion. It's probably are hands down, if not the best colorway of the sneaker at the moment. This is the first QNTM to ever glow in the dark, and I mean it's amazing. Like, these things light up, and I always forget that they do glow in the dark until like I'm like in a dark space or like I'm in like a black room or something. But I just can't get over the fact that I got these on Concepts, because Concepts has just been just total shit for me for like the past year or two. Like I couldn't hit shit on there. This is like the first time like I ever like hit anything on Concepts. Like I can't hit nothing on like Concepts or Kif or other sites like that, just because. But I was able to score these on Concepts, thank God. I'm super happy, I appreciate it. Now the shoe itself has suede on the toe, which that is a really nice touch, and the suede material is super clean, super good. They have the cage itself here with the blue around it. Now the blue is a part of the prime knit. We have a milky type of toe here. Also another thing with the basketball version, the tongue is a lot higher and it has like a lot more support. It has some more cushion and different things like that that the lifestyle version doesn't have. Overall, the shoe is super comfortable. Now when I got my bariums, like they fit a bit snug, and I just was like worried about that, and that's the reason why I don't really wear them as much. But my frozen blues are super comfortable and I'm just really enjoying them. I'm happy I finally got like my actual size. Like I had to go half size up in Yeezys all the time. Sometimes I be feeling like even that is not enough for them. I might just have to go a full size up just because of how snug these fit. But overall, this is a super clean shoe. Now I wasn't sure like what exactly would I wear with these, but I noticed they go with a lot of things in my closet. So these are pretty dope. Such a slept on shoe, and I'm enjoying them. I've been working in them the past few days, and these shoes are super comfortable. I just really enjoy it, man. I'm like super stoked that I got these. I definitely plan on getting other colorways in the future, especially if they glow in the dark. And I want to say just thanks for everyone watching and everything. Now I'm about to go ahead and get into the on foot part of the video. I'll be showing some on foot footage here in a minute. I'm gonna be showing footage of me just wearing the shoes and footage of the shoes glowing in the dark, different things like that. And this shoe is such a slept on shoe. I would say if you're thinking about copping these for resale, I would say go for it. They're pretty much at retail price. All Quantums are going for like retail or below retail, just due to the fact that not too many people fuck with this sneaker. But I don't care what the majority says or thinks or does. That does not affect my actions in any way when purchasing sneakers. But thank you for watching the video. Now, don't forget to check out my other videos. I got more videos coming up on the way. I'm missing packages at the moment. I'm trying to get things sorted out. The post office is just in shambles right now. I'm missing packages from the most recent revenge drop. I don't know what's going on. I'm missing FTP stuff. So we will get back to that once we can. And I want to say, just subscribe, check out my other videos, check out my video I did on the quantum bariums, and I want to say thanks for the support. Grab on this mouth.